Hi, this is Rudra Sengupta. We are from Merit Polymers Private Limited. Our company is based from Daman. We have 4 factories with 42 machines. ये 1976 से है. Our corporate office being in Mumbai. We are into master batches in PPP and other commodity polymers and pigments में भी है. In master batches, we provide black, color, white master batches along with additives. We are into thermoplastic elastomers. And we provide to many branded companies in injection molding, blow molding. We have 6 warehouses in India and 4 in international markets. उसमें से 2 नाइजीरिया में है, 1 in Lagos, 1 in कानो और एक केनिया में है और एक दुबई में. So basically we are doing around about 70 to 80,000 metric tons annually. So we are planning to expand, and we have taken a new land also for that. Hopefully within a year we'll be completing that. It's around 32 acres. So we are planning to install about 100. So we have one warehouse in Hyderabad also. So hopefully we'll have some customers here also. Thank you.